What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're up here in Pennsylvania. Some of Kayla's family had a wedding to come up here too, and her uncle's got a nice collection of Porsches, and we're going to pull them out and take a look at them and talk about them. They're still busy with all the wedding stuff. He said next time we get up here we'll get some rides in them, get out and drive them some and make some more videos, but this here is mainly just going to be just checking them out and talking about them. And when I make it up here again, we'll get to go out for a ride in them and do some filming. Now my favorite one is in this garage over here. We'll get to look at that bad boy here in a little while, but that's my favorite one out of them all. But the turbo car down here, it's the 996 all-wheel drive car. It's pretty sweet too. But we'll stay tuned and we'll check out these cars and talk to Gene about them, and next time we get up here we'll actually get some rides in them. But this is just going to be a just overview of the cars, but we'll get to it. This is a 996 turbo. Say it was a 02? 02. 02.
You just want me to start it?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, and it's still a 6-speed manual. It's not.
They got the Volano wheels put on by a guy out in California. It's actually one of Chris's friends. Put the wheels and tires on, send them in.
And Chris is your...
An oldest boy in the band.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kayla said y'all adopted him.
Yeah, he's 6 months old.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was Chris Kilmore, right?
Incubus.
From Incubus.
Yeah.
Yeah. Didn't they start a band here, or
No,
was
they
that?
started, that was out west.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. It was out in Calabasas.
Yep. That's cool.
Out.
Okay. This one's a, what did you say, it's a 15?
This is a, let me look here once. Hopefully it's on the ticket. I'll back her out.
Alright. The 16?
Yeah.
16 GT4. It's still a manual car too.
That's a sweet easy drive.
This one is the most fun out of them all.
Yeah, it is. It's so friendly. Well balanced. Well balanced. I think the track car would be just so much fun.
Yeah. Some big old brakes on it.
had it, raced it.
Yeah.
I haven't raced it, but he buys these apparently and gets rid of them after 1,000 miles. And they say he takes really good care of them, but I think he was the one that beat those tires up a little bit.
Yeah. This one's a bad one right here.
Yeah.
It's a 17 GT3 RS.
Yeah. Yeah. Get my tender off of here so I don't rip it out of the wall. Carbon ceramic brakes on it, big boys. Oh, carbon fiber seats. This outlet here.
Yeah.
In a glove box.
Uh-huh.
So I had the trickle charger in there.
Yeah.
And you know, for a long time it would start okay. And it's like, cranking down a little bit. And all of a sudden I came out one day. It wouldn't start at all. It was just totally dead. So I got a hold of the dealer and I said, what do I do? And there's on the door jamb over there, there's a special connection. And I left it, the charger on there. Wouldn't start. There's no way you can get in the hood. There's no mechanical release.
Oh, really?
So I tried everything. Guy came to tow it. He didn't have the right gear, but to get it up on the truck, before he left, I said, put your jumper on it. So he put his on, nothing. So then they came back with a truck that they could get it on. They had to put it on dollies up under each wheel. To drag it out of the garage.
Yeah.
Got it up, took it over, and they said, you have your trickle charger at the wrong place. It's not here. It's way back in the corner there.
Oh, really?
That's where you have to plug it in.
So the battery was just dead. The battery was just dead.
Dead, totally dead. The lithium battery.
So there ain't no mechanical opening to open anything.
No.
What's the... No.
That's all you see.
Yeah, you can't even see nothing in there.
That's it.
Yeah. You gotta check out the seats. Okay, they're...
How do you work on anything?
Hey. Kayla. Come here and look at the seats. They're carbon.
I didn't want to get close.
The seats are carbon fiber.
Oh, I'm going to.
You should sit in that seat. It sucks.
I don't like it.
Go sit in it.
Well, I'm soaking. I'll light in a second.
Oh, okay.
Look at them brakes and brake calipers.
Yeah, no, they're
God.
carbon ceramic brakes.
Look how freaking close the tires are to the wheel wells.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The back, I can you can barely get your hand in there.
Yeah, this is my favorite. I like the turbo part, but this one's probably the favorite one.
So would this be like for drifting?
Do what?
Would this be for like drifting?
No, this here is like a road course car.
Yeah.
I mean, it's set faster times than Nürburgring than 90, or that was the GT2, which you said you're on a list for a GT2, right?
Yeah.
So maybe,
I'm waiting. Probably next year I'll have one.
yeah, so when he gets the GT2, I'll be coming back up here to,
We'll have to take him out sometime.
yeah.
Get you out in all of them.
All right, I'm going to try to fit inside this car. Oh, oh man, oh, that's comfortable. Yeah, I like how it runs. I mean, it's a little tight around the hips, but I mean, it feels good. Like, I feel like I ain't gonna go nowhere.
Yeah, well,
I feel like if the sides on the bottom come up a little bit more.
Yeah, I mean, they hug you. They hug you pretty good.
His are even worse, but once you get down in them, it's like you feel like you're
Got
secure.
2,400 miles on it.
the 996 seats are
700 pounds of downforce at how fast?
100 mile an hour.
100 mile an hour.
How fast have you had it?
135, 145 at the most. But we're, you know, I don't,
Still fast though.
that's easy.
Yeah.
I mean, you can get up to that in a flash, but all I can do is on 15 here. And where I know there's no cops typically.
Yeah.
But
What kind
it's
of-
always breaking down.
Was it a
458.
458?
Yeah, I want.
Always breaking down.
Yeah, I jump in it and the yellow light's on. You know, they'd have to haul it down to Philadelphia. They come and get it on a truck.
Yeah.
And while it was under warranty, it's all covered.
Yeah.
When it goes off warranty, it's going to cost you a
And there's
fortune.
no telling. I think I remember Kyle telling me that now.
Yeah, it was
Yeah.
wasn't a tail light. It was just whatever was going wrong, or you get a yellow indicator light, and you don't know what it is.
And when you have something that new, you don't want it.
Yeah, well, and you don't know what. I don't want to be dealing with a Ferrari.
Yeah.
No.
I wouldn't want to be dealing with any car, mostly.
Anything like this though.
See how wide the tires are on it, Kay?
Huh?
See how wide the tires
Yeah.
are on it?
That's what I was looking at on the other side. It's crazy.
He wants at this car. He wants to do all sorts of things.
Oh,
And,
does it?
I'm thinking if I want to sell this, nobody wants to buy it with all those modifications on. It
Yeah.
loses value.
So what kind of exhaust is on it now?
Oh, it's just the tips.
Oh, it's just the
titanium
tip. It's just titanium tips.
Yeah,
The rest of it's stock.
Yeah, everything else is pure stock.
Let Kayla see what she thinks about it.
Oh yeah, you
Look
can
at
fit
that.
in
I
it.
like the way the door, it kind of like lifts up. I feel like
And then when you get out, see that strap? You pull that strap. There's no doorknob.
It's just a strap.
I've seen that. That's cool. Oh, it's comfy. I'm so
You like
sore.
that?
I like
Now see,
it.
you can't adjust the back at all.
Yeah, that's how his
It's
is.
solid, yeah.
But yours are way more comfortable than his.
Are they?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're a lot
I
bigger.
just don't like the bolster getting in and out over that. But I guess that's why you have them.
It's
But
part of
this
the
one's
race
not even
car.
that high.
Mine's
Yeah.
higher than that.
Yeah.
I'm surprised it got regular seatbelts.
Yeah, I could modify them if I wanted, but
I like them though.
yeah.
This is neat down
Yeah.
here.
Yeah. It's got a bunch of carbon fiber on it. That seat's nice.
Pretty. Let me get out. I can't afford this. And I have expensive taste already.
Yeah, uh-oh.
Way above my means. I want a V.
It's a sweetheart.
So the whole front clip's carbon fiber. You said the top's magnesium.
Yeah, it is.
It's
Top's
all
magnesium.
carbon.
Yeah, and so are the fenders and the front. It's all,
And they give you the window sticker
You
like
still got the window sticker laminated.
it's
Yeah.
laminated. Do they give it to you like that? I think it's
Original
cool to have
window
that.
sticker for it.
That's insane. That's neat.
Yeah.
That's crazy how it holds value
Lava
too.
orange, 16.
213, but I paid a little more than that for it.
Well, yeah, because you had to have it
Because it was
70% in German. It tells you.
Mhm.
That is
it
neat.
came with
Yeah.
a regular battery,
16.
which weighed like 50 pounds. And then I got the lithium put in
Mhm.
because it just wasn't available when they shipped this.
Yeah.
7 pounds.
7 pounds for lithium battery.
So 50 to 7.
Is all the shots adjustable like under these
I
caps
think
and
so.
stuff?
Yeah.
You like can't do anything on these cars though. Everything's like
Yeah.
hidden and covered.
See, I don't even know what this is. I never even. There's a handle here. Oh.
That's to get out.
It's
so
yours.
I
that's
locked
what
you in
you're
there.
locked in
So
there.
if you try
Hey, let's.
smuggle something, let's get it.
Yeah.
See if it works. It's a 2016 built where? And Zeffen, I don't know.
Siffenhausen.
So it's German.
Yeah.
Gas guzzler tax.
Mhm.
Yeah, they don't do too. It says at
That's not
16.
really that bad. I'm surprised that it has.
But what's it? These right here, they got a, what, 4-liter flat 6 aluminum engine, 500 horsepower at 82,
That's crazy how
50
fast it is.
RPM, 7-speed PDK transmission, direct fuel injection.
The turbo, the 996 probably has, I'm going to say somewhere around 600 foot-pounds now.
Really, is the GT2, is it a turbo car?
No.
It's still
naturally
aspirated 700 horse.
Microfiber
No,
interior.
the
GT2,
the
new
think
one.
That's naturally aspirated.
I was thinking they were,
think.
oh, they're 700 horsepower,
Do you
so
realize the difference in price in the battery?
the battery,
Yeah, it's $2,300.
the battery was $2,300 for the
The
lithium battery.
brakes
Look at the
were
brakes.
$9,000.
They're Porsche ceramic composite brakes.
That's the sound package. That's not too bad.
Yeah,
So
I never even listened to that.
I probably wouldn't either.
I'd probably listen to the core. That's crazy.
This is, I guess, part of that launch
Yeah,
package.
track package.
I'm surprised I didn't charge for the floor mats.
Yeah, jeez.
Headlight
Yeah.
cleaning system covers. So your headlights clean themselves?
Well, the covers you
Yes,
pull
it
off, or you know, it's, oh, okay, it's actually got cleaners on it.
Wow. That's neat.
Then what's the headlights were $3,700.
LED headlights, black with Porsche dynamic light system. So I guess the dynamic is what, as you turn it points,
As you turn the headlights,
Yeah.
turn where
That's
you.
so
yeah.
cool.
point where you're going.
I love how they laminate it because a lot of people want that.
Yeah, it's nice to have.
Yeah. And you don't have to keep up with like the paper version
Yeah.
and it fade out and stuff. That's neat. Because even for normal vehicles, a lot of times.
Yeah.
This comes up somehow.
Magnesium top. Is the rear quarters, are they
How
all
much it weighs?
carbon fiber too?
1,900 pounds.
No, the car is like 3,200, I think.
Made in Germany.
Is the rear half, is it carbon?
I don't know if the rear half is. I don't think so.
No, that kind of sounds like metal.
No.
I think when I looked it up, it was 3240 or something like
That
that.
sounds about right.
So cool.
That's where it originally arrived in Cali.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe. I'm trying to do more content like this in the videos, just other stuff also. These are some really nice cars. I enjoyed looking at them, but it'll be next year when we get home. Maybe, hopefully not that long, but we get back up here, we'll get to go out and ride in them. And when he's got more time, like I said, we have a wedding up here while we're up here, so it's been real hectic. So I'm glad he got the time to view them with us for a little bit. But hopefully he'll have the GT2 when I'm up here next time too. I'm ready to see that thing in person. But y'all, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see y'all next time.